Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Let's see how to make noodles quickly. First, add some butter to the pan like this. Add ginger garlic paste to it and mix well. Next, let's add onion. Also add some curry leaves and salt as needed. Now we add pieces of chili to this tempura. Next, an egg is added in this way. Mix the boiled and filtered noodles well with the tempura. Now it feels good. I also add some spring onion in this way. Now mix well. In this way you can quickly make noodles at home and taste them. See you in another recipe like this.